Hey guys, it's Gina, and today I am doing a highly requested what I eat in a day video on Weight Watchers. You guys love when Maddie and I do these videos, and so if that's what you want and that's what you want to see, we're gonna keep them coming. I personally love filming these videos, so it's awesome that you guys are really liking it. Before we get into the video, I just have a few updates and a couple other things. Update number one, I have moved to Nashville, which is why there was a little bit of a delay in videos. I've been, busy just moving, settling in, getting everything figured out. And so now that I am settled in and have everything good, I'm excited to get back to filming videos. I've really missed it. Since coming here, I have kind of fallen off the wagon a little bit of Weight Watchers, which has made me kind of disappointed in myself because I have gained a little bit of weight, which is never fun for anybody. So now that I'm back, I'm like super focused on it, and making these videos helps me stay focused and motivated. So I'm glad to be back to doing it and back on Weight Watchers. We want to keep the videos coming to you. It's crazy, we have almost 6,000 subscribers right now, which in my mind is so many. And I know it's like nothing compared to some of the astronomical amounts that some YouTubers have, but I know that Maddie and I said at the beginning of the year that our goal for 2019 was to get 1,000 subscribers, and now we have almost 6,000, which was like so crazy and so awesome. If we could get to 10,000, that's nuts. So in reference to that, I want to know if you guys would be interested in us making some videos, stuff about like our personal lives, lifestyle vlogs, fashion, makeup. I'm super into all that stuff, and I would love to share that on this channel. But if that's something you guys are interested in watching, let us know in the comments below. We want to get some separate videos coming to you. Everyone comment down below and tell Maddie you want her to make some videos too, so we can keep that going. And the final update, I have dyed my hair back to my like natural original color. This is what it looks like. So yeah, let's get right into the video of what I eat in a day on Weight Watchers. Hey everyone, good morning. So it is 8:34 in the morning and I'm about to make some breakfast. I'm going to a spin class in a little bit, and usually I don't like to eat before I go in the mornings if it's early enough, but I woke up pretty early, about an hour and a half ago, so I'm starving. So I'm just gonna make some quick avocado toast with an egg on top. And I will show you how I do that, and also some coffee. So this is the bread I'm gonna be using. This is the Trader Joe's soft multigrain bread. You can definitely find bread that's lower points than this. I just happen to be at Trader Joe's and this is what I picked up. One slice is 2 points. And then I have my avocado, which I'm gonna be weighing out on a food scale. It's just like hard to tell on the app which avocado to use, what size, how many slices, so I feel like ounces is just better. So I'm gonna weigh that out on my food scale, and then I'm gonna use 1 egg, I'm gonna eat a banana, and then everything seasoning from Trader Joe's. This is the best stuff ever. I think I've talked about it before. It's got sea salt, garlic, and onion, and some other stuff. So let's weigh out our avocado. Okay, so I just found avocado on the app. So I weighed out 36 grams of the avocado. These avocados are like super tiny, so that's why it's so little. But then if I go to my app, 36 grams is 2 points. So that will be perfect. Okay, so I have my egg cooking, and then I just started up my coffee. I just got this mug yesterday from Target. It says happy fall, y'all, because it's officially starting to feel like fall here in Tennessee, which is amazing. I'm here for it. And then I have my bread already toasted. It's a little crispy, but I like it that way. So now I'm just gonna spread the avocado onto the toast. My toast is all done, and here's the banana I'm gonna eat. And now I'm just gonna add some creamer into my coffee. Shout out to Maddie. She told me that there was sugar-free pumpkin spice creamer, so I immediately ran to the store the next day and bought it. So I'm gonna put in 3 tablespoons of this to my coffee for 1 point. Here is my complete breakfast. It is a total of 5 points. So I'm super excited to eat this and then go to my spin class, and I'll see you guys after that. Okay guys, so it is time for lunch. It is currently 1:09. It's a little later than I would normally eat lunch, but after my spin class, I took a shower and laid on my bed for a little bit, and then a little bit turned into like an hour. It's a lazy Sunday, it's acceptable. So for lunch today, I'm gonna be making this cauliflower rice chicken gyoza pot stickers. I get these from Trader Joe's and they're so good. I'm gonna eat, I think, 6 of them. Let me see what I wrote down. So I'm gonna be using 6 of them in this recipe. This is what they look like. And then I'm also gonna be using this green giant riced cauliflower, broccoli, about a ½ cup of chickpeas, onion, low sodium soy sauce, and also from Trader Joe's, their gyoza dipping sauce. So it's kind of gonna be like a stir fry, pot stickers medley. It'll be good, so let's make it. So what I did was just spray some olive oil spray down on the pan, and then I threw in my broccoli, onion, about ½ cup of chickpeas, and then the pot stickers. And I'm just gonna let that all simmer up while the cauliflower rice, while the cauliflower rice is steaming in the microwave. After that's done, I'll take about, I think the serving is a cup. I'll have to check on that. I'll take about a cup and throw it in there once that's all done roasting up. This is like a super simple recipe, super easy. It takes like less than 10 minutes. That's why I love it for lunch. And it's just simple. Okay, I just threw the cauliflower rice in, and this stuff smells so good. I just realized right now that I bought a lemon and garlic cauliflower rice instead of the normal kind I usually buy, and it smells awesome. So I'm actually gonna add in some garlic powder, salt and pepper, and just get this seasoned up, and then I will add in the soy sauce and the gyoza sauce. Oh, and also I was wrong about the cauliflower rice. It's about a ½ cup serving. I added in like 3/4 of the cup because I'm a little more hungry than usual, just because I haven't eaten since like 8:30 in the morning, but that's okay because it's 0 points, and it's only a tiny bit more than the serving, so woo! Okay, and here we have the finished product. You can see all the broccoli and chickpeas. This lighting makes it look a little orange, but I promise it's normal. I added in 2 tablespoons of the gyoza, like a 1.5 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce, garlic, salt, and pepper like I mentioned. And then here on the app you can see that this is 6 points. So I added everything in. Now I'm ready to eat. Okay, so it's about 4:37 and I'm about to start prepping dinner. Tonight I'm gonna be making a pizza casserole that I found on Pinterest a long time ago, and I've been making this recipe for probably about over a year now. I love it so much, so I just keep coming back to it. I usually make casseroles at the beginning of the week, and it's really nice because it'll last me throughout the whole entire week. So I only have to cook dinner once, and then I can heat up all the servings the rest of the night. So let me show you all of my ingredients. So I'm gonna be using green bell pepper, this Trader Joe's fat-free pizza sauce, 99% fat-free ground turkey, macaroni, turkey pepperoni, olives, Trader Joe's mozzarella cheese. I usually use the light mozzarella cheese, but I guess I read online that they're not selling the light cheese until the beginning of the new year, which is really disappointing because it's the best. So we'll have to use this, and then just regular diced onions. I'll go ahead and write down in the description below all of the quantity of the items that I've used, and I'll do that for breakfast and lunch too. But I'm gonna go ahead and start putting this together. I already have water boiling for the macaroni, and I'm gonna start to cook up the meat, peppers, and onions. This is what the bottom portion looks like. I cooked the meat, green pepper, and onions together on the stove, and then I boiled the macaroni. And once that was all done, I poured it into the casserole dish with the pizza sauce and threw in the pepperoni and a ½ cup of cheese. And so this is what it looks like. Now I'm gonna layer the top with the other ½ cup of cheese, olives, and pepperoni, and then I'll show you what it looks like before it goes in the oven. So this is what it looks like once it's been topped with the rest of the cheese and olives and pepperoni. You can add or get rid of whatever you like or don't like. This is gonna go in the oven covered with foil for 20 minutes, and then 10 extra minutes without the foil. And then I will show you what it looks like when it's done. It already looks so yummy, even though it's not even cooked. Once it's cooked, the cheese is, you'll see. And here is the final product. It looks and smells so yummy. I forgot to mention that I topped it with oregano, and then I cooked the meat with garlic, salt, and pepper. So that will give me 6 different servings of
the casserole. I'll just like cut it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's huge. I'm gonna go enjoy my dinner, and then for a snack after dinner, I'm gonna be having a raspberry Built bar. You guys know that Maddie and I love Built bars. So that's what I'll be having for my nighttime snack. And then let me show you my final day. Oh, I forgot to mention that pizza casserole with all the ingredients I used came out to 9 points. That could differ based on what ingredients you use or the amounts you use. So let me show you my day really quick. So this is what my day ends up looking like. I used 23 points, 5 at breakfast, 6 at lunch, 9 at dinner, and 3 for snack. That pizza casserole came out to 9 points. I don't know if I mentioned that or not. But yeah, that is what my day total looks like.
All right, everyone, so that was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna link everything, I'm gonna put everything down below that I ate, the brands, the quantity I used, and the points, just so you can keep it for reference if you wanna recreate some of these recipes. Oh, I almost forgot, I have to do my thingy that I always do. Like this video if you liked it, and comment down below some other videos you might like to see from Maddie and I. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.